Hi guys, today I will be sharing how to make Oreo pudding cake paps. For the ingredients, we need 3 packets of Oreos. All in all, that's 42 pieces, 250 grams of cream cheese. This is optional. I'm only going to be using half of the bar. So that's 180 grams. So I use about 90 grams. I'm using a food processor to do this process, but you don't need a food processor. Just crush the Oreos and mix the rest of the ingredients. So, crush the Oreos. To these, I'm going to add half of the milk chocolate. So, while the food processor is still going, add the chocolate so it will be crushed as well. If you don't have a food processor, grate the chocolate. Once it is finely crushed, we can also add the cream cheese. Then process everything until they come together like a dough. Just like this. Now we're going to transfer this into a bowl. Now get a small amount of the dough, about 1 tablespoon, and then roll this into a bowl. This makes about 29 to 30 Oreo balls. Then I put this in the fridge for about 5 minutes. While the balls are still in the fridge, melt some chocolate in the microwave, 15 seconds interval, just like this. Dip cake pop stick into the chocolate, then insert this into the Oreo ball. Now we're gonna place this back in the fridge for about 15 minutes. So I've melted more chocolate, and then I'm adding vegetable shortening to thin the chocolate. Just add a little at a time until you're happy with the consistency of the chocolate. Now we're going to dip the Oreo balls into the melted chocolate. So top the excess chocolate. Excuse my hands, they have chocolate on it. I have Holy Mix sprinkle that I'm separating the leaves from the berry, so it's easier to use this later. I've melted 50 grams of white chocolate. On top of each cake pop, I'm putting a little bit of white chocolate, and then put the holy leaves, and then the berries. So it's hard for me to do it while it's on the stand. So I'm showing you one more time. Again, excuse my messy hands. I've got chocolate all over it. So again, put a little bit of white chocolate on top of the cake pops to decorate. Add holly leaves and then the berries. And this is our finished product. A very cute way to make Christmas dessert, and you can also give this as a Christmas gift. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you like and subscribe to my channel. And just to show you what it looks like inside when you bite into the cake pop. In terms of the sweetness, again, you can take out the white chocolate if you find it too sweet. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you again next week. Bye!